A slow or overflowing drain line is usually the first clear sign that your air conditioning condensate drain is clogged. When the condensate drain slows or blocks completely, you will often notice water pooling around the indoor air handler or a drip against the ceiling near the unit because the system cannot remove condensation fast enough. Check the drain pan by removing the access panel and looking for standing water or a strong mildew smell, which indicates organic buildup in the line. If the system shuts off on its own after running for a short time, this can be the float switch doing its job to prevent overflow, so rule out simple safety shutdowns before calling a technician. Inspect the outdoor termination point for water overflowing instead of trickling. Visible, steady water flow or slime at the exit usually means a restriction upstream. A wet or soft spot in drywall or ceiling below the evaporator is a sign of prolonged leakage and possible mold growth, so act promptly. To clear minor clogs, use a wet and dry vacuum on the outdoor termination to pull out debris, then flush the line with a solution of 1 part white vinegar to 3 parts water and let it sit for 30 minutes before flushing with plain water. 3 common mistakes lead to repeat clogs and unnecessary repairs. People assume the small plastic drain line cannot collect debris, but neglecting routine flushing and cleaning allows algae and biofilm to accumulate, so flush monthly during cooling season. Another issue is relying solely on chemical tablets placed in the drain pan, which can mask symptoms while corroding metal parts. Instead, use enzyme or vinegar flushes and inspect components regularly. Finally, homeowners often ignore slow drips or odors until damage appears. If you see any wet stains, run the system and observe the pan and line immediately and arrange a cleaning if the problem recurs. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors for AC and plumbing work, and we also help contractors find jobs in their service areas. We host a discussion community where members share repair experiences, step-by-step tips, and contractor recommendations so we can learn from one another and act sooner when problems start.